Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a payment method on Ambetter. We will also put useful links in the description below. To start, open the website ambetterhealth.com. Then click on Login. On the drop-down list, click on Member. To log in, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. Also enter your password, then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payments. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payments. On this page, scroll down and you'll see a section for Manage Your Wallet. Under Manage Your Wallet is an option for View Payment Settings. Click on View Payment Settings. At the lower part of this page is a section for Payment Method. Beside it is an Add option. Click on Add. Now select the payment method you'd like to add, either a credit card or e-check/ACH. After selecting, enter your payment information. Then click on Next. Also, enter your billing address. Then click again on Next. Lastly, review the payment information. If everything's good, click on Save. And now your payment method has been added. That's how you add a payment method on Ambetter. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.